Hey everyone, if you admire Sam Young's artwork and want to learn how to draw in his style, you come to right place. Sam Young, also known as the Sam Does Art. Sam's art style is amazing. He makes such a captivating artwork, blending realism with a touch of anime influence.
It was perfect. Perfect.
As I told you in my previous video, study or copy another art style is important for improving your artwork, but there are a problem. How to do that? When you try to do that and end up become more confused, because all artists have their own art process and their method. Some of them had little to no line work and some of them goddamn extremely detailed work. Like Sam, he is famous for light shadow anatomy and his Yasofai character. But how did he do that and how do you apply that to your drawing? So I am here to help you with that. After studying his artwork like a stalker, I properly understand his method. You don't trust me?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Sam himself told me that. I don't kidding. If you don't trust that, watch till the end of the video and you can decide that. Throughout this video, we break down the key element of the Sam artwork like sketch, color, brush and effect and guide you through creating my own piece inspired by him. So watch till the end. Before we grab our pencil, let's take a quick look what makes Sam art stand out. Sam's cartoonized character looks awesome. Sam often minimize the nose bridge and make big expressive eyes, give his character a more anime or Disney princess look because Sam's obsessed with girls. Sam's signature move is full yet soft juicy lips, and his way of blending colors makes his artwork more expressive and his lighting and shadow effect and depth are awesome. Sam favors nature color, especially of a skin tone, and he incorporates pop-up color strategically for clothing, hair or background. This big point makes Sam's artwork different. Now that we have a good understanding of Sam's art, let's put it into practice. First, search a reference for drawing. Sam always uses a real photo for drawing, but at first, as a practice, you can use Sam's drawing or his OCs to practice. I use this photo for my drawing. Now let's start with sketch. Start with light sketch of the character using soft line to create the basic form. Doing anatomy and the character right is the most important for Sam-like drawing. But if you don't do drawing right at the beginning, in the end how much you color or smooth blending your drawing does not look good. While some of Sam's art features clean outline, but he known for his beautiful lineless art. Sam draw always had little to no line. Sam always sees his full picture of drawing way before he start drawing, using his soul sacrifice technique. We cannot do that at first, so we use guideline. Later on, we erase that. Now start with sketching the face. Sam character have big expressive eyes. Draw large expressive eyes with a sharp angle for the other corners. He typically use a darker shade on the outer corner. Sketch a small nose with a minimal bridge detail. He always draw a little nose like a anime nose. Define the facial features, keeping the line lights and focus on the capturing the overall expression. Now you think what type of brush to use. Sam mainly use these 5 brushes, 2 for texture and 3 for drawing. One of them for lines, the other 2 are ear and round brush for coloring, and he occasionally use other texture brush. You don't need all brush, you mainly need ear and round brush because Sam already proved that in his video. Just using his brush along with lasso tool and the smudge brush you can make his drawing. If you want to know how to do that, I show that process in my video, so watch till the end.
Yeah, boy.
Now time for coloring. Start with a basic color for the skin, keeping it natural. In this drawing, I use Sam's famous sunrise color. Add color to the hair, eye and clothing. Using Sam's typical palette as a reference, I simply apply hair and eye same base color. Sam basically always used 2 to 3 color. He applied different colors simply by using base color with a hue and saturation changing it. Sam's signature full yet soft lips are achieved with a single tap of soft brush, creating a subtle gradient. The upper lips is usually a bit darker than the lower. I simply pick skin color and make it more saturated and reddish. For lips color, layer lighter and darker tone to create depth and shadow on the face. Consider using a blending tool to add smooth transition using a soft round brush to a softer setting and add shadow and highlight for depth. Sam used soft brush and airbrush to reduce the cheek for more depth in the face and make face more pop up. If you stay this far, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for even more in-depth tutorial and to see how I use these techniques in my own art. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now it's time for hair details. Sketch the hairstyle and incorporate Sam's signature sharp angle and wispy strands. Sam simply use round brush with the opacity with lighter color for depth like this and erase this highlight with small brush for hair string effect and add highlight like this for pop up your hair and make it more professional like Sam's hair. Like this look professional but this so easy to make, so try that. And for the finishing, to refine your drawing, take a step back and assess your drawing. Refine detail like eyes, color and depth. Add any additional detail like eyebrows, earring or freckles. Add subtle white highlight to area like the eye, lips and hair for the touch of sparkle. And at the end you can add this effect that Sam always used to make your drawing bit a more pop up and make more professional. There you have it. By following this simple key step and keeping SamDoesArts Art key stylizing element in mind, you will on your way to capturing his beautiful art style in your own work. Remember, practice make perfect. So keep drawing and make more experiment and experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for the more art content, and don't forget to share your SamDoesArts Art inspired creation in my comment below. And if you don't make mistake as a beginner and want to improve your drawing, you can see this video. This will help you with your improving of drawing as a beginner. You can also know a more new tricks. So watch this video. So see you till then.